The first surprise is free GATE-CS practice questions 10,000 plus. We are going to provide practice questions 10,000 plus practice questions for GATE-CS 10,000 plus. It is a very small number for me to achieve. It will even grow to any big number. Okay. And currently we have these numbers in the practice tests. So probably 1,000 are there or even more than 1,000. But we are going to make it 10,000 in 3 months. Every day you will get 100 practice questions. And for in every PDF, we are going to give you 10 practice questions and the solution will be in the forum. You can discuss about that question in the forum and I will be there seeing your discussion. Okay. Okay. Surprises are coming. Don't go anywhere. Surprises will keep on coming. Okay. This is the first surprise. And free GATE DA practice questions 10,000 plus. 10,000 plus questions you are getting. And all these questions will be GATE level questions. These free questions will be GATE level questions. Okay. Number of DA, currently we have more than 1,000 problems, but I am going to make it 10,000 in 3 months. You will have a lot of practice questions to prepare and all these questions will be GATE level questions. I am not preparing them. My team is preparing them. Team of people from IISc are preparing. My entire team is from IISc because I am from IISc, right? My entire team is from IISc and we have the largest team in India for GATE computer science and DA. Okay. And we are going to produce 10,000 practice questions within 3 months. Currently, these are the questions available. You can access them for free. God of computer science. If you call me God of computer science, I have to live up to that expectation, right? Today, I'm going to give you one surprise and I will prove that you are right. Okay.